Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 21. Dear students, today we will learn about odd one out. Odd means different. In this lesson, you have to find out the one different object out of many. Look at this picture. There are two pastries and one candle. The two pastries look similar, but the candle looks odd or different. Similarly, there are two party caps and one can of oil. The two party caps look similar, but the can of oil looks odd or different. Let's have activity time. Circle the odd one out. In picture 1, you see 2 carrots and 1 cake. Cake is odd, so circle the cake. In picture 2, you see 2 cakes and 1 candle. Candle is odd, so circle the candle. In picture 3, you see 2 candles and 1 rose. Rose is odd, so circle the rose. In picture 4, you see 2 fountain pens and 1 bicycle. Bicycle is odd, so circle the bicycle. Respectable teachers and parents explain to the children the concept of odd and alike in detail so that they can separate the odd objects from the many you show them on flashcards. Tell them that they can also find out the odd objects from their immediate surroundings. For example, they can sort out the whiteboard in their classroom as the odd one because the rest of objects will be chairs and desks, etc. Practically demonstrate the concept by putting different objects on your table and asking the children to tell you about the odd object. Appreciate the children for their active participation and deep interest in learning about the concept of odd one out and clap for them as well. Thank you.